Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, welcome. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So, today, as the title suggests, we're doing a transformation, baby. A transformation. So, oh God, TJ, this boy is reaching for my camera. Look at that finger. So, guess what? Exciting news again. Today, literally today, TJ is 8 months old today, and he's gonna fall. He's gonna fall right now and bust his butt because he's trying to get my camera. Yes, you. But today he's 8 months old, and literally he's just starting to put in 2 baby teeth. Well, right now it's only one. I only see one there, but you know the other one is gonna be right behind. That's a 2 bottom one that always come in first. So those are the ones that are coming in. I don't know if he's gonna let you see it, because he's trying. All he's trying to do is get my camera. TJ, are you gonna show them your teeth? Yes. So he just woke up, so I'm gonna give him some food. And then hopefully I can start getting my hair done. Let's try to change the color. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like, and hopefully I'll try and hit the barber today also, just to make sure it is super fresh, super cute, clean. Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can do that and try and hit the barber too. Hopefully, because life doesn't always go as planned, but hopefully we'll see what happens. So let's feed this baby. Okay, so now we're going to start. I do not have, listen, I'm just doing my own thing, okay? I do not have a measuring container or whatever. It says I should use one of this with 1.5 ounce of this. Child, I don't have anything to measure it, so I'm gonna eye. All I know that the consistency must be thick and creamy, so I'm just gonna pour until I get that consistency. So I'm gonna pour this first, and then I'll go in with the liquid a little at a time until I get the consistency that I desire. Okay, yeah. And then let's just begin.
I gotta believe, oh gotta believe I'm gonna make it one more round. I gotta believe in myself, you gotta believe in yourself. We gotta prepare ourselves, deny our fears and hope for a one-up. Gotta believe, gotta believe, gotta believe, gotta believe. I'm running free, oh I am free. I am free to try to pull you out of his hands. Can't breathe, I'm almost dead. Of time, I'm so ahead. Dark bullets invite my fears and dry my tears and hope for a one-up.
Okay, guys, okay, so I don't know if you noticed what I did. So what I did was just apply the product, and then I use the foil to cover it, because the foil is gonna trap the heat, and that's going to help it to change faster. So that's what I did, and then I just put the short cap on top of it. So now all we have to do is wait, and then we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so now I'm outside, and the reason why I'm outside is because I'm hunting for sun, honey, sun. The sun, the heat of the sun is gonna help it to change faster and more even. So let's just say the sun is my toner, right? Because I see people use toner. I don't have any toner. I'm not going to use any toner. I'm not buying any toner. So the sun is going to help it to change faster and more even. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just in the sun. I'm going to be in the sun for a couple minutes, And as I say, in the process while I was doing it, all I did was just apply, and I tried to apply it to all my edges and all the little hair on my like my whiskers or something, this part right here. So I make sure to apply it there. I make sure to get the ear on the lower part of my neck, the back of my neck, just to make sure that everything is covered, because I don't want like some to be black and some to be blonde or whatever. So I try to get everything covered. So now all I'm doing is just waiting. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take it off now. So it's a moment of truth. We're gonna see what's happening on under all of this. So let's take it off. Let's take it off. Let's take it off. Love it. So guys, look at it. I love it. Let's wash. Okay guys, so to wash it out, I'm just gonna use the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo and the Shea Moisture. This is almost done, but don't worry about my broken bottle. But this is the same Strengthen and Restore condition. So we're gonna see if we can repair a little bit of all that damage. But let's wash.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my god.
You get a little tear coming.
Yes, I'm about to cry.
Okay.
Thank you.
And you just wash it every day.
So guys, this is the finish transformation. And if you realize, I got myself a little piercing. So let me explain to you what I did. First and foremost, the solution that I use, they sell it in volume 10, 20, 30, all the way up to 40. I bought the volume 40, right? And the basic white powder that I use is this one. Just know that this is the strongest one. When I was buying it, the lady did tell me that it might damage my hair. If you hear noise in the background, I'm sorry, my daughter's in school, so just ignore that and pay attention to my voice, okay? But as I was saying, so this is the strongest one. So if you're worried about your hair breaking, don't do it, okay? Don't do it. Do not do it. But as for me, I don't care. My ear is already short, so if it's damaged, I just cut it off and start again. I'm not worried about my hair that much. So, and I know that I wanted it to be this light. My daughter is killing me to get the toner to make it even lighter, like take out the yellow completely. I might do that probably the next time I bleach it. I don't know yet, but we'll see. So just keep tuned to my my videos. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then you'll see what else we got in the pipeline. But for right now, that is the result. It's kind of it's I think it's very much white. I'll insert a video clip of the back, the style in the back and stuff like that, but I just wanted to let you guys know. And it also changed the texture of my hair, right? My hair is much lighter, as you know. It's chemical, so my hair feels lighter, so it definitely changed the texture of my hair. But as I say, I don't care, you know. I don't worry about stuff like that, so I just love it. I really do. I'm so satisfied with the results. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll get back to them. And if there's anything that you want me to do, or you want to see, or suggestions of videos, leave them in the comments. Okay, with that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Thank you guys for watching. As I say, if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.